Good evening, Internet. It has been quite a long time now. I feel that I have spoken with you guys, but here I am. So today is Friday, and it is 7:41 p.m. in the evening. I am going to take a quick ride with my bike because from today evening, not evening, today night, starting at 10 p.m. till 6 a.m. till Monday, there is a lockdown in Bangalore. So just before that, I want to ride my bike because since I came from my winter ride, I did not take this bike out a lot. I'll not say a lot, I did not take it out actually. Just today I got this bike washed and everything. I was very active, right? I'm a very active person, so I got the time today. The other problem with the bike was that I did not get a lot of time because there was a lot of work as well. I had as soon as the holidays got over, right, there was quite a lot of work, and I could not get time. So I recently got a new sticker. If it is visible, I got a new sticker right here, and one on the back of my helmet. I got stickers, and this is a new key tag which I got. So all these things which I spoke about is sponsored by Inline4.in. I did not buy it, they gave it to me for some reason, and I'm very thankful to them. If you guys like awesome merchandise, please do check out Inline4.in. They have cool merch on their website. I hope you will also like. So the bike seems to be warm. Let's go. So I will not be going somewhere very far. I will just be taking a quick ride around this place because Friday and Saturday is generally the time when I get time to take the bike out, but that is not going to happen. So yep, let's go take a ride now itself, rather than waiting and just thinking that I could have taken a ride on Friday evening. And if people from my office are watching, I was working till now. This is just a small break. So I changed a little bit of settings on the GoPro, and let's see how is the video and the audio this time, because I after this I do not know what else to do. So let me quickly close the visor down, headlights up, and let's quickly come back. I got work after this as well. The COVID cases in India are rising at a very fast rate, so people be very careful, be very, very careful. These are again bad times, right? We all need to stay safe and take care of ourselves, because the new variant is pretty unpredictable. Nobody knows how it is behaving, or what is actually happening. That is why my voice might be a bit odd, because I am wearing a mask, which everyone should, right? At this point of time, everyone should. That is the need of the hour. So starting today at 10 p.m, everything will be closed, just like the older times, right? You'll have grocery stores opened, medical stores would be opened for emergency purposes and stuff like that, but general things would be closed for people, and people are also not supposed to go out, idiot. So yep, that is the case, that is a scenario right now. Let's see what happens. And this road is pretty awesome. I wish I had an adventure bike. This would seem interesting then, but at the moment it is not. Lot of potholes here and there, and at night it really becomes a challenge to figure out where the pothole actually is. And people are also very smart, they do not use a dipper, even though I have seen some people using halogens fog lamps on this road when it is absolutely not required. So yep, intelligent people all around. can't do much about it. Speaking about the things I was telling you before, that I got some work done on my bike. Yes, I got a little bit of maintenance done on the baby, because after I came from Udupi, I did not do anything for the bike. To be very precise, I did not do anything for my gears as well. I am very active, so I did not even clean my gears and stuff. Somehow I was just able to unpack my bag, wash the clothes which are in the bag, but the boots, the jacket, even the gloves are still to be washed. Boot, obviously you cannot wash it, it is pure leather, that is a leather boot, so you have to buy a boot cleaner or stuff like that, what is available, and use that. But I did not do that as well. So now you know how active I am, how energetic and active I am towards life. So as I was saying, right, I got a bit of maintenance work done on this bike. I actually got the engine oil changed earlier. When I got the bike serviced, just before going to Udupi, I had the bike serviced, and the Yamaha service center, as usual, they always say that you use Yamalube 10W40. But to be very honest, I absolutely did not like that engine oil. For some reason, the bike starts getting heated up very quick. The engine sounds a bit rough, and all sorts of problems, right? And when you travel solo, there is a fear if you have a mechanical breakdown. There is always this fear of mechanical breakdown. So I was also a bit afraid that if I have a mechanical breakdown, I will not have anybody to help me out. It will be all on my own, or if somebody on the road stops and helps me out, that is the only option I have. So yeah, that is where I was a bit scared about. But today I got some things changed. I have changed the engine oil now completely. I got Motul 10W40, which is the synthetic one, meant for street. I got that. And Motul is obviously a better product than Yamalube, is what I feel, any day, right? I was actually looking for Liqui Moly, but Liqui Moly was not available at any stores nearby my place, so I had to change my mind. I had another option as well, which was Castrol, but Castrol was also not available, so I went ahead with Motul. Motul was there, and Servo was there actually. So Servo, I never used any product from Servo. I am not very sure about that, and I had used chain loops and stuff from Motul, so I was pretty confident about it, and I took that. So one was the engine oil change. I did not get the oil filter change, that will get in the next servicing. I got the chain tightened. The brake pads, I was actually a bit afraid that the brake pads were gone. After changing the engine oil, I feel the sound of the bike has become pretty good. It is not causing any sudden vibrations, because with Yamalube I was facing vibrations as well. After 7,000 rpm, anyways, this bike has a vibration problem that I knew when I bought this bike, but it seemed to have gone bad, to be very honest. But as soon as today I got that replaced. After replacing, I rode the bike actually for around 15 minutes. I was just going to and fro, and I tried at different speeds as well. I went way beyond 7,000 rpm, but the vibrations were pretty less. I was not feeling it right from the start, right? So that is why I felt that the engine oil is a mandatory change. That is a very mandatory change which I felt, and I got that change today. And from the next time, I am definitely not going to use Yamalube as well, and I would not recommend anybody to use that, even though the Yamaha service center actually suggests you to use that. But on a personal experience, I will not suggest anybody to use that. Pay a bit extra, but your bike will be in a healthy condition. You will be happy with your bike. It will not be that you feel bad about your bike or something. It's completely understandable. I got a mic adapter actually, so I just wanted to check if it is working fine with higher speeds, because of how I just wanted to check if the wind blast is causing a problem or not. So I'll rev it a bit hard. These are some places where I can rev a bit, so I'll try it here just to check out if the audio is fine. It'll land on YouTube. If not, obviously it won't. So here it goes. I am not sure what will happen, but yes, actually the bike performs a bit better. The bike performs a bit better. The acceleration has become better, I'd say, and the sound of the bike seems a lot better now. The other day I was about to slip here for some reason, because I feel the tire pressure on the rear tire was very less. It should have been 33, but it was somewhere around 28, and as soon as I took that turn, and that day I was a bit fast as well here, so as soon as I was trying to corner here, and as soon as I committed myself to the corner, I felt that I am sliding a bit. So as soon as I started feeling that you know, I am sliding a bit, I hit the brakes, but not like an idiot. Obviously you don't go full brake on a curve, right? You slow down slowly. So I just hit the rear brake, because I know the bite on the rear brake is very weak. So I hit the rear brake, the tire somehow got back to place, and right after that incident I went to the petrol bunk here, where they have the air filling station as well, and I got my air filled. I checked, it should have been 33, it was 28, which could have been very risky if this road would have been slippery. So I feel lucky that nothing wrong happened with me, but you know, this is something which I learned the hard way. And whenever, actually I'm always very careful with the air pressure, because a lot of time punctures happen because you have a wrong air pressure, right? But that time I was just lazy. After I came back from Udupi, I was just lazy and I did not check things out. But from now on, whenever I go out, I do check my air pressure, the tires air pressure, because it is better to be safe than to be sorry. So yeah, so with that I would like to close today's vlog. I'll see you around in another vlog. It might take some time because weekends are locked down and weekdays I have work, so obviously I cannot do a lot of vlogging, or I cannot ride my bike, but sure, I'll try to catch you guys up as soon as I get time. With that, I'll take your leave for today. Stay safe, stay healthy, ride with gears. Until next time, bye.